Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel. You've got your boy Bert, and you know you're rolling with Lanny, the Dividend Diplomats, and we're here to talk to you. Another episode of our dividend stock purchases from that first week of June.
We are still pumping money into the market, but before we talk about those purchases, smash that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up. We are getting so close to 10,000 subscribers, so thank you everybody so far helping us grow this YouTube channel. We can't wait to keep bringing you more videos about our dividend stock purchases, dividend stock watch list, which we just released, and finding other undervalued dividend stock gems.
It's the name of the game, putting the money where your mouth is. That's what we're doing. We talk about dividend stocks, we go through the stock screener, we talk about undervalued stocks, what we've bought, what we're looking at, and we're buying.
What we love about watching other YouTube channels that have people showing their actual accounts, showing that they're putting that money where their mouth is, because to us it's all about being transparent as we all work our way towards financial freedom.
Exactly, and I mean, again, we're trying to stay consistently invested into the stock market. You know, we'll talk about every purchase we did last week, you know, and again, this is all in our taxable brokerage account. I know we've gotten a lot of questions. All the stocks that we talk about here on this episode is going to be from the taxable account. Bert and his wife in the taxable account, and my wife and I in our taxable account. So this is readily available dividends that we can, use, and stocks that you can buy and sell and take the proceeds.
Exactly, Lanny. And if anyone's also interested in learning more about how we find undervalued dividend stocks, or just learning more about dividend investing as a whole, we have some watch lists. We put some videos out last year giving you taking a much deeper dive into any one of the topics. So please check out that watch list if you want to start learning more, or go to our blog.
Yeah, go to the blog. We've been around for over 7 years now. Man.
We have. Yes, we have. So
yeah, journey.
Yeah, we talk a lot and we write a lot. So yeah, by all means, check out the playlist, check out the blog, and let us know if there's a specific topic, and we can send you a link to that one item.
So we've been buying dividend stocks. This past week, really June 1st because of Memorial Day weekend, looks very similar to that prior week of May 24th. But regardless, we wanted to show you where we put our money this past week. I stayed consistent somehow with investing over $1,000 during the week.
This was a lighter week for me. I was usually around 1,000, but we put in over $750 too. So still a lot for us, and we're excited to keep pushing it forward. We didn't hit the 4-figure club like Lanny.
Well, let's Bert, you want to kick it off since I kicked it off last time?
Sure. This one's going to be an easy kickoff. We did our weekly purchase of Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol JNJ. We did it on a Tuesday though. My wife and I talked about how we're going to follow Lanny's Vanguard strategy and buy one share of Johnson & Johnson, the Dividend King, the best dividend stock out there.
Cloud.
Yeah, they are one of our top 5 foundation stocks. We love this company. They're always trading in that nice, consistent PE ratio that seems to be 16 to 18. Perfect payout ratio, strong dividend growth over the years. So why not build our position in this great company? So we each added one share on the first, which was the Tuesday, and we did it, which was nice. The price came down this week. It was at 167.42. The last few rounds have been over $1.70. Down to 167.42 for myself and 167.33 for my wife. So kudos to my wife for beating me out. We each added $4.24 from that purchase. So in total, we added $8.48 of dividend income.
Nice, a nice cool 2.5%-ish on average right there.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, man.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Right, let's go into your first purchase of the week.
So we'll keep it consistent with that. We stay with our Vanguard strategy, buying VYM. For all the Vanguard lovers out there, give this video a thumbs up. Let me hear it in the comments. What's your favorite Vanguard mutual fund or ETF, and how long you've been investing with some form of Vanguard? We each bought 3 shares, total of 6 shares. I wish the price would have come down for VYM, but it did not. We bought it at $107.66, evenly. And in total, that was a contribution of $646. We added a cool $18 in forward income at a yield of around 2.79%.
Yeah, and I know you've talked a lot about this Vanguard strategy, and you showed the results of the consistent investing a few months ago in a video. But man, it is really cool to see how your position has grown over the last year. You're almost at that year mark for this.
Almost there. A few more weeks, guys.
We have a ways to go before we get to a year for our Johnson & Johnson, but I'm already starting to see the fruits of the labor of just consistently investing.
We'll have to do a 6-month video for your J&J checkup.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's fun. It's just nice knowing every week you're just going to have some money going in, and you've pre-screen the investment. You know you're happy with it and you're comfortable growing that position over time.
I mean, the Dividend King is going to be looking pretty nice in that portfolio, I bet.
Yeah, yes it is. But the weekly purchases didn't stop there. We also added to one other company several times over the week that has been hot on our radar. You're probably not going to be surprised about this because we just did a video about them. That company, SpartanNash, ticker symbol SPTN. We bought them twice. Why? The first time was at the beginning of the week. We wanted to continue building our position. So at the front end of the week, I added 3 shares for just over 21, and then after that, I kind of took a little break. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. But what happened with Spartan this week?
Chunked a beer?
Yeah, shotgunned it. What? Someone tossed it to me.
What?
Yeah, but Lanny, what happened with Spartan that kind of caused me to buy some and a lot of other people? We've been told a lot of others. What happened?
If you're watching the video and you got some SpartanNash, smash that like button. SpartanNash came out with a little bit of an earnings release, was it?
Yeah.
Maybe some positive, some not so positive news, which caused the share price to plummet maybe around 4 to 6%.
Yeah, but what I liked is, even though there was some negative news, they reaffirmed their guidance. They said, we're not changing what we're forecasting for revenue, for earnings, which is what we want to see, which means there's not really going to hopefully be a substantial impact on the dividend.
So what Bert and his wife did, they got back in the ring. They kicked the stock in the crotch, and they jackknifed powerbombed more into their portfolio.
Exactly, Lanny. I added on the third 5 shares at $19.85, so look how much that fell from that initial price. And then my wife on the third added 5 more shares at $19.85. We bought them at the same time.
They weren't born in 1985. Though.
No, but then the next day it was still hanging around there, so we added 8 more shares for my wife at $19.93. So in total, I added 8 shares of SpartanNash during the week. She added 13. Let's tally up the dividends combined for the two of us here. Drum roll, please.
Let's go.
In total, we added $16.80 right there. So the yield is just under 4% on average for the week. Exciting stuff. I'll take it.
4% yield. Nice. Not too bad. Well, to go into our last couple purchases, I'll kind of just go bang, bang into it just to kind of wrap the video up here.
Nice
for
little
all
cactus
viewers.
jack.
Yeah,
bang, bang.
Yeah, bang, bang. Or maybe we'll get the 3 faces of Lanny here. So Verizon Communications, I actually picked up, surprisingly, a couple more shares on that Tuesday, June 1st. I picked up 2 more shares of Big Red at $56.30. I dropped $112.60 total. Added $5.02 to my forward income at an average yield of 4.46% of this telecom.
Fantastic. But what was that third face of Lanny that you added?
It wasn't AT&T stock. It was not. Not to say that it's a bad stock to buy, but again, I bought Verizon stock instead.
We have plenty of AT&T.
Yeah. So I went in as well with my wife's portfolio, and we bought for her 13 more shares of SpartanNash in 2 instances. First on the Tuesday as well, we bought 3 shares at $20.50 for a total $61.50 purchase, adding $2.40. Then I walloped in 10 more shares for her at a price of $19.75 of SpartanNash, adding $8 in forward income there. So in total, we actually deployed for my wife's account $259, picking up 13 shares of SpartanNash stock and added $10.40.
Fantastic stuff. Look right there. So in total for me, we added a Johnson & Johnson and SpartanNash in my portfolio and my wife's. We put in $755.75 with adding income of $25.28 right there with an average yield of under 3.5%.
Solid, keeping the money moving. And for my wife and I, we deployed capital into our Vanguard ETFs, Verizon stock, as well as SpartanNash. We deployed a total of $1,017.56 this past week of June, and we added $33.42, very similar to last week, almost eerily similar, at an average yield of 3.28%.
Hey, consistency is key.
That's right.
So let us know, everybody, what stocks have you been buying? Please let us know. And what are you watching and what have you added this week so far? We're excited to see what dividend stocks are on your radar, and maybe they'll be on our radar after.
Let's all share the love and the news, guys. Again, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to our channel so we can get towards that 10K milestone. This was Bert and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats.
Over and out.